Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Academic Chronicles. So today I'm going to show you some of the tips and bits of my days of UGC NET examination preparation, and I hope this could be beneficial for you for your upcoming UGC NET June 2026 cycle. So let me show you how I used to maintain my register so that you get a rough idea that how you can do, but definitely you will do according to your own requirement, but you can have a look and get some idea that how you need to go about your preparation. Okay, so see, I had a register, and so see, this was my register, and how I had maintained it. So in the beginning only I have written all the topics or of the syllabus of paper 1, and I used to tick mark each topic when I have completed about 90% of the syllabus. Okay, so this I did in the beginning only, and I had also pasted the syllabus of UGC NET examination paper 1 in the beginning of my registered. Like you can see, I have attached it here, so that every time I open my register I get to see the syllabus. And as you can see, unit wise I have tick marked the topics that I have completed over the period of time, right? So suppose I am doing teaching aptitude, so teaching aptitude में फर्स्ट टॉपिक अगर मान लीजिए कॉन्सेप्ट, ऑब्जेक्टिव्स और लेवल्स ऑफ टीचिंग पढ़ना है मुझे, तो एवरी टाइम आई यूज टू कंप्लीट दिस टॉपिक्स, आई यूज टू हाईलाइट दिस थ्रू द हाईलाइटर ऑफ पेन, and then I used to go on the next topic, that is characteristics and basic requirements. ठीक है, उसके बाद फिर मैं लर्नर्स कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स कर रही हूँ जब, तो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ एडोलिसेंट एंड अडल्ट लर्नर्स, ठीक है, उनके सारे पार्ट्स कवर कर रही हूँ. तो वंस आई हैव कंप्लीटेड दिस, सो आई विल जस्ट हाईलाइट दिस पर्टिकुलर topic in the syllabus, then I'll go on to doing individual differences in the same topic. After completing these two topics, I have highlighted these two sections, and then I'll move to the third topic, that is factors affecting teaching related to teacher learner support material, instructional facilities, learning environment and institutions, right? So after doing this or after completing this, I'll highlight this particular topic also. So this way you can see over days or over weeks I'll be completing these topics, and I'll keep on highlighting these topics so that once I complete this particular topic I have everything marked. Okay, so it also gives me a relief that I have completed this particular section, because I have highlighted everything, but I'll highlight this only when I have completed my topic, right? So this I used to follow in every section of the syllabus or for every unit of the syllabus. You can see second is research aptitude. So this way I also used to apply this method for every unit. In the comprehension I did not practice much of the comprehension, so there is no highlighted section here. Then I moved on to communication, mathematical reasoning and aptitude. ठीक है, फिर लॉजिकल रीजनिंग जब मैंने कवर किया था, यू वोंट बिलीव इट टुक मी अराउंड 1 month टू कंप्लीट दिस पर्टिकुलर यूनिट. But even then I think I got one question wrong, though I was very confident because it's my favorite unit and I was sure कि I'll be able to attempt all questions correct from this particular unit. But it's a very interesting unit. You should definitely, you must do this particular unit for your examination. It's it's very easy and more kind of a mathematics only. So if the question is right, you will get full marks, and the chances, if your concepts are clear, the chances to get the question right are more. So definitely you should focus on concept in this particular unit. Okay, so this way data interpretation I used to practice it from the PYQs only, so I did not follow the syllabus in this particular unit. Okay, then ICT in this section also जिसमें भी highlighted नहीं है, so definitely I covered these sections from the PYQs only, but जिसमें highlighted है, जो portions आपको highlighted दिख रहे हैं, so I covered these particular topics one by one and making my concepts strong. Okay, so this people development and environment, this I covered mostly from the PYQs only. And then higher education system, I did it topic by topic, but definitely you can also cover this also from the PYQs only, right? And this is where my register begins. So after attaching these two pages of syllabus, my register begins. And in the front, on the front page only, I have written this or attached this. You can see. So teaching and research aptitude is definitely this should be mastered for your examination to score well in paper 1. Okay, and this I wrote to give me motivation or make sure that I will be able to do this no matter what. Okay, so you can also put something motivational or any line that motivates you all the time. So these two words, self-belief and hard work, are the key to clear any examination. Dedication and all is there, but definitely you have to believe first in yourself, and then you have to put the required amount of hard work or smart work that is required to clear any examination. Okay, so this is how I started my register. And yeah, so I'm just giving you a brief look, or so that you know कि how I used to study. You can see here like topics covered here. जब जैसे मैंने टीचिंग एप्टीट्यूड किया तो उसमें आप देख सकते इतने सारे टॉपिक्स थे जो मैंने कवर किए थे. यू कैन सी अराउंड 28 टॉपिक्स. अभी तो बढ़ गए हैं, ईयर बाय ईयर इट इंक्रीजेज ओनली. सो देयर इज अ लिस्ट ऑफ टॉपिक्स, यू नो, सी. सो दैट्स हाउ यू गेट आइडिया कि ओके ये पार्ट्स हैं, ये सेक्शंस हैं जो इस टॉपिक से, पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक से आते हैं. ठीक है, ये सब मैंने कुछ क्वेश्चंस प्रैक्टिस किए थे. बट देन ये ऑब्जेक्टिव्स ऑफ टीचिंग, ब्लूम्स टैक्सोनॉमी, so we'll be covering all these things in the upcoming sessions. I'll be making you get through these notes from my videos. So to connect with me, you can follow me on my YouTube channel, and I'll also show you about the research, how I used to study about the. See, in this register only one section was dedicated to teaching aptitude and the other section was dedicated to research aptitude. I have attached this. So how I used to do, you can see here. So yeah, research aptitude. ठीक है, ये टॉपिक्स हैं सिलेबस के, ये मैंने लिख लिए थे पहले ही, और ये बहुत ही हैवीली डोमिनेटेड है एग्ज़ाम में, तो ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा क्रिस्प और क्लियर होना चाहिए आपको. सो विल बी कवरिंग दिस ऑल्सो एंड टाइप्स ऑफ रिसर्च दैट विल कवर इन दी upcoming videos. Okay, so I'm just showing you कि how you need to prepare your notes, and it's not that easy कि बस क्वेश्चन कर लिया और हो जाएगा. नो, कॉन्सेप्ट स्ट्रॉन्ग करने के लिए you have to make notes, clear concepts. Okay, then only you are going to clear questions. So this one whole register was dedicated to the 2 units, that is teaching aptitude and the research aptitude. So I hope you get. And similarly I have so many register for paper 1. I think around 5-6 registers are there for paper 1 only. So you see the amount of hard work it requires to master paper 1. But it's not that difficult also, but you can't take it too much lightly also. Okay, so we'll be covering all these things topic by topic, and to cover these things with me you can follow me or follow my YouTube channel Academic Chronicles, and we will be covering each section there. Okay, thank you, and also don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.